Introducing StoreBlazer, a powerful new cloud-based software tool which you can use to quickly and easily build print-on-demand eCommerce stores for t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies. The whole process has been simplified and the user-friendly interface makes it extremely easy to edit and customize with minimum effort. As well as being able to build highly profitable print-on-demand eCommerce stores with personalizable products fulfilled by GearBubble and Printful. The software will also allow customers to edit and customize their chosen item in real time on the product page by changing the text or image. It comes with detailed training and a selection of done-for-you designs for t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies in a variety of popular niches. The special launch discount and StoreBlazer bonus will not last long, so get your copy today and start increasing your profits. Watch the demo.
All right, let's take a quick look at StoreBlazer and how it creates products that the buyer can personalize and see on screen as they're personalizing it. We're in a store right now called Love for Animals, and we have a t-shirt on the left. And we have our options on the right, just like typical online stores. But what I want to have you do is watch the t-shirt on the left while I'm picking the options. So for example, our first option is color. We have 4 different colors. Let's make this a yellow t-shirt, and you can see, boom, now it's yellow. And of course we can pick our size. We'll just pick large, and let's go down to the heart color. So that's this heart in the picture here. Let's make that a blue heart. And you can see it changes to blue. Upload a photo of your dog. You have the capability to allow people to put their own photos in these designs. So this is really powerful. So we'll click Upload Image, and I've got a picture of a dog here. So when I pick this and it uploads, there we are. Now it's changed the actual picture on the t-shirt, and this is what will be printed there. And you can enter the dog's name, watch the red text. Let's call him Scruffy. Scruffy is forever in my heart. So this is something that the buyer can make into their own design. They're going to be happier with it. They're going to be much more likely to order this. And when they get it and they're happy with it, they're much more likely to come back and order more. Let's take a look at another product, a mug. Very simple design and has a picture in here. If we go down and upload an image, we'll upload the dog again. And watch here. Now the dog has been replaced. So this is very simple, and you can set up any of these items to have personalized text, personalized pictures, elements of the design to change. It's very simple for the person running the store, and it's very, very powerful. We are inside the dashboard of the review version of the store, the review store, and I'm going to add a t-shirt for Father's Day. So let's go over to templates, and when we go into templates, we can choose a single design, we can choose an entire niche, or we can create a product from scratch. I'm just going to choose a single design here just to be easy. Now, these are all of the different niches of products that are stocked up in here that your buyer can add directly into their store. And Father's Day, that's what we want. Let's add a t-shirt. So we have all these different pre-made designs. Okay, so let's, I think the one that I saw actually was in Fathers. Here we go. This is where I want to go. So we've got all these different designs. We've got Best Dad Ever, and I think that's one I'm going to use. Or I might use this. Let's use this Best Dad in the World. Let's click that, and we have all the different colors that can be available in. You can turn these on or off, and it lists whether they're supported by Printful and supported by GearBubble. Keep in mind, you can enter in your API for either or both. So if you're a GearBubble customer or GearBubble user, you can get your API from GearBubble, pop it right into the configuration here, and all of a sudden, your products can be fulfilled by GearBubble. And it's as simple as just logging into your dashboard in the morning. You can see the orders that have piled up, and it's a one-click approval. So there we are. Add the product to the store. So now the product is instantly added into the store, And we can either just start selling it, or we can add personalizations. And that's what I want to do, is I want to add personalizations. Now, what we can do is we can just click this link here and it'll take us right to the product. Or if you want to look for it in your products list, you can click products. And what you're going to see is now we have the best ad in the world. It's all these different variants, the different sizes and colors and everything. So let's make this 50 to a page. We want to scroll past the variants and go to the actual shirt. And that's this right here, best ad in the world t-shirt. And see, it is configurable. So let's configure this. You can make individual versions configurable in their own way, I believe too, but we're just going to make it so that all the colors are the same. When we go in to edit the product, you see there's a big green button, Edit Design and Personalizations. That's where we're going to go. And what I want to do, this is the design here. I want to be able to have the customer put their dad's name on here. So we have different items we can add into the design. We have static image, which is just a picture, static text, which is text that's just like this, that you can't change. We want to put in dynamic text. So I'm going to click dynamic text, and that gives us a piece of text that we can move around here. And let's just make this bigger, make it wider, and we have some options. Okay, so let's call this dad name. And in the text label, which is the text, the sample text that's here, I'm going to put enter dad's name. Okay. Now, did you see that the size of the text shrunk a little bit? You can define down here minimum and maximum font size. So that allows them to enter in stuff that's longer than this spot, and the text just shrinks. So I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller in case there's a super long dad name, Lawrence or something that they're putting in. And let's make a more interesting font choice here. Let's see what blanket is like. There's what blanket is like. Let's leave that because it kind of works with this handwritten text design. Okay, then you can come down here and have different options to it. You can center the text left, right. You can curve it. I just want it to be simple like this. So we have that set up, save our template, and now, once it's saved, give it a moment, template successfully saved, let's go preview it. And here is our product on a royal blue t-shirt. If we make it ash, there we go, it's kind of a gray t-shirt. And you can see down here, now we have customized elements, enter dad's name. So now let's change this to Lawrence. And there we are. Person can order this. They could even say Lawrence is the best dad in the world. That's how easy it is to add a customization to this. And if we go back into products here, and we go back down to the actual shirt, where is it? Maybe I went past it. Best dad in the world right here. Let's go back into configurations. And let's turn on new. So now this will show as a new shirt. And save the product. We can add our description and different categories and variations. If we go out to our store here. Oh, sorry about that. Let me change the address. There we go. Now we have featured product. Here's the one we just set up. And new products down here. There's where we just set that up. And go into it. And here we are. All ready for people to order. It's as simple as that.